Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech tutorial channel. Today, we're diving into how to use a SIM card in your laptop in 2025. With the world becoming more mobile and connected, using a SIM card in your laptop can give you seamless internet access anywhere without relying on Wi-Fi. Whether you're a digital nomad, a student, or just someone who travels a lot, this guide will have you set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, not all laptops support SIM cards, so start by checking your device's compatibility. In 2025, many modern laptops from brands like Dell, HP, or Lenovo come with built-in cellular modems or eSIM options. Look for a SIM slot on the side or under a cover. It's usually marked with a SIM icon. If your laptop doesn't have one, you might need an external USB dongle that supports SIM cards. Once you've confirmed compatibility, power off your laptop for safety. Locate the SIM tray. Most use a pinhole mechanism like on smartphones. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to pop it out. Insert your activated SIM card with the gold contacts facing down, and slide it back in. Now, boot up your laptop and head to the Settings menu. In Windows or Mac OS, go to Network and Internet, or System Preferences, then select Mobile Network, or Cellular. Here, you'll see an option to add your SIM. Enter your carrier details, like APN settings, which you can get from your provider's website. After that, connect to your mobile data plan. In 2025, most SIMs are 5G enabled, so you could get blazing fast speeds, but remember to monitor your data usage to avoid surprises on your bill. If you're using an eSIM, the process is even simpler. Just scan a QR code from your carrier to activate it digitally. Now, for some quick tips. Always ensure your SIM is from a reputable carrier, keep your laptop's software updated for better connectivity, and use a VPN for secure browsing on public networks. If you run into issues, like no signal, try restarting your device, checking for SIM errors in settings, or contacting your carrier. There you have it. Using a SIM card in your laptop is straightforward and super useful for staying online on the go. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.